If you guys have ever used 11 Labs before, you know that it's a paid tool. They do give you 10,000 characters for free. However, once you hit that limit, you're going to have to pay for the tool. So I have found a free voice cloner. I'm on Hugging Faces right now. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. And we're going to go ahead and click on voice clone and we'll see how good is it. Is it able to replace 11 Labs? I really hope so. So right here, you can see that we have two options. You can, upload your own audio, or you can record your own audio directly into here. So we'll go over both options. So let's go ahead and record something right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this button. Okay, and I'm going to click on allow this time. No microphone found. Hello. Okay, we're working. All right. Okay, guys, welcome back to Web Studios. And we are finding more free tools. Hopefully this voice clone is really good. We'll see how accurate it is, how close it is to my voice. And let's see if we can replace 11 Labs with this tool here. I really hope so, because I'm not trying to pay for any AI tools. I'm trying to do it all for free. All right, let's stop that right now. Okay, so here's our audio. Hello. Okay, we're working. All right. Okay, guys, welcome back to Web Studios. Yeah, sorry about that. It was saying no microphone found for some reason, but it was working. So, okay. All right, so I recorded my audio. Now let's go ahead, and the next step is to type in the text that we want it to say. So let's just say, like, in an ancient world where the Anunnaki ruled the lands, we know that we were not even thought about at the time, because our ancestors had to first descend to Earth from the planet Nibiru. So you guys might be thinking, what in the world did you just type? I don't know. Listen, I'm into the Anunnaki story. Who knows? Is it real? I do not know. Let's submit this. Do you guys believe in the Anunnaki? Comment down below if you guys think the Anunnaki are real. Okay, here we go. Here is our voice clone right here, guys. Oh man, I hope this is good.
In an ancient world where the Anunnaki ruled the lands, we know that we were not even thought about at the time, because our ancestors had to first descend to Earth from the planet Nibiru.
Okay, the text-to-speech wasn't too bad, but as far as cloning my voice, I don't know, it seems kind of off, right? I want to try something else too. So let's try the other option. Let's delete this. I want to go over to 11 Labs, and what I want to do is I want to use one of their voices. So we're going to download one of their voices. Let's see what his voice sounds like.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end, may also be the beginning.
All right, that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and generate that speech.
Welcome back to Web Studios, where I help you guys.
All right, cool. So it's done. Let's download that. Now let's go back over here to the voice cloner. Let's go ahead and upload that audio right now. So I'm gonna come over here to the 11 Labs audio, and I'm gonna upload that. Now you can hear it.
Where I help you guys find AI tools that can improve your work.
Okay, so you hear that, right? Let's go ahead and let's just regenerate this. I'm gonna leave the same text: in an ancient world, blah 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 blah, and let's submit that. Let's see how close it can clone a voice from 11 Labs.
In an ancient world where the Anunnaki ruled the lands, we know that we were not even thought about at the time, because our ancestors had to first descend to Earth from the planet Nibiru.
On the plus side, on the pro side, it was pretty cool because he has like emotion in his voice and inflections in his voice. But on the con side, I definitely hear like a robotic type of flange, a robotic flange or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it sounded pretty good. Obviously not exactly, not an exact clone, but it definitely had some human characteristics, some inflection, some emotion. So I really like it for a free option. I definitely really like it. And then if you like the audio that you generated, all you got to do is just click this button right here and you can download your audio just like that. So now you can add it into your videos that you're creating. You have a free voice cloner right here. I will leave the link in the description below for you guys to check this tool out. It's completely free. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.